It was there the day you were born, and on the day you fell off your bike. The day you chipped your tooth. On the day you started your business. And the day you saw her for the first time. On your very first date. Then the second date. And the third. It was there on the day you proposed. And when you got married and went on a very expensive honeymoon. On the day you two became 3. And 4. And that time you took that unforgettable family trip together. It was there when you tried to be as cool as your son. On the day the next generation took over the business. Now, decades later, there it is again. When you say hi to your granddaughter for the very first time. Laundry has always been there from the very beginning. Laundry is life